the famous church of Chimbote.
One world, one ride.
Pulsar, Bajaj.
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 Rápida, veloz.
Ajá.
Veloz.
Ah,
Veloz.
yeah.
Buena, it's good, it's good.
Good. Pulsar good. You like Pulsar?
Yes.
Good.
BMW espectacular.
Bajaj.
Bajaj.
Huh. Hindu.
Hindu.
Ah.
Yes.
You know anything about India? Hindu? See Hindu? No?
Hindu.
Yeah. A little. YouTube. See. One world. Photo. I'm taking it. Spectacular.
Carrito.
Great. Okay, your name?
My name is Michel Lozada Asalde.
Michel Lozada Salde.
Asalde.
Okay, thank you very much, Michel Lozada Salte. Michel, it was nice meeting you. You are such a nice person.
Nice.
Gracias, mucho gracias.
Gracias.
Nice day. Bonito. Nice.
Bueno.
It's a nice place, nice day. Mucho gracias. It was so nice to see people, coming up to you and really getting inspired. And what I've seen is in Central America, Bajaj Pulsar is really rocking it. Hey! And he was quite excited about knowing that we are doing a world ride, and that on a BMW. He loves BMW, he loves Bajaj Pulsar. That's big. And we are very proud to know that Bajaj Pulsar, yes, Bajaj is making its mark in the world, and you feel that, when they come to know that we are from India, and they say, oh, Pulsar, Bajaj, Pulsar, you feel proud that your product is doing good in the other countries. Seriously. Proud of you, Bajaj. Really make us proud by giving good products in the market so the world can enjoy. Now we're going to start our ride. DJ is getting ready. And see you on roads. But again, to Bajaj, Pulsar, Rocket, man, you guys are doing a good job. Proud of you. You really feel proud when an Indian is getting associated with Pulsar. Wow, that's good. So see you on roads, my friends. And I hope you enjoy the journey the way I'm enjoying it. And I'll try to give as much information as I can to all the travelers who are going to travel. By the way, this is a nice hotel. Inn hotel or something like that. Very comfortable room. Don't go on the looks of this. From outside it looks pretty good. Inside is also very good. This is the backyard. You have a secured parking. So any travelers who are traveling, do visit and stay in this hotel. Lovely staff, very friendly staff. Yeah. And there is a casino if you want to gamble. I didn't gamble because I don't gamble. But yes. And I can show you guys around. This is the reception area. That's the pretty lady. Say hi. You're on camera. And let me show you. This is the main street, and this is the hotel. Yeah.
¿Se vaya?
Bye.
¿A dónde se va? ¿A qué lugar se vaya?
Lima or Chimbote.
Al sur. Fuga, 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 fuga.
All right.
Equipado ya.
Yeah.
El equipo para el frío.
Yeah.
La moto.
Moto. Yeah. Okay. Adios.
Año Nuevo.
Yeah. Lima or Chimbote.
Chimbote.
Sí.
Y cuando te trasladas de país en país acá en Latinoamérica, hay unión en peaje normal. Pero para otro país, ¿qué? Embarcación subes y te trasladas.
I don't understand.
Barco, en barco.
Barco. All right.
Este es cámara.
Camera, sí, camera. Camera.
Hay cámara.
Camera. Bye bye. Adios, amigos. Yeah. Wow. That was really heartfelt. Lovely people. एकदम मंगोलिया मंगोलिया इफेक्ट आ रहा है हैं? खाली मंगोलिया में सिंगल रोड रहते थे, उधर डबल रोड है।
मंगोलिया में क्रॉसविंड नहीं रहता, यहाँ क्रॉसविंड बहुत पड़ेगा।
वो भी है। हाँ, मेरे को बहुत जन ने बोला ये रास्ते पे बहुत क्रॉस विंड है। Chaila Bogda all of a sudden. कैसा एंटी है यार। ए डीजे
हाँ
तू किधर पीछे?
हाँ
अरे ये भोगदा तो देख कैसा है। वो जिन्ने जमाने में नहीं क्या 1970s में टनल बनाते थे तो कैसा। चिम्बोटे खाते सा करके ऐसा है ऐसा है ऐसा है। हाँ
पूरा रेगिस्तान में।
हाँ पूरा रेगिस्तान में चिम्बोटे गांव आ गया। 3.5 से लेफ्ट है राउंड अबाउट से। तू किधर है?
हाँ मैं हूँ तेरे को गाड़ी।
ये क्या
हाँ ये
पार्किंग दिख नहीं रहा भाई।
हाँ? पार्किंग है ना, गाड़ियाँ पार्क करी दिखाई थी इसमें। ये पैसेज में पार्क करवाएगा वो।
चल जाएगा तू?
जाके आना।
मैं जाके हूँ। हेलो। Thank you. I don't have a reservation, but then I heard a lot about this place, so I thought.
Maybe.
Hmm.
I can.
Can you spare 2 rooms for us?
2?
Yeah.
Yes, 1 bedroom.
2.
1 room, 2.
No, 1 room, 1 person.
Okay.
Okay. And the motorcycles inside?
Inside maybe, but there is another garage the back.
At the back, okay.
Yes.
How do I go from here? All right.
First corner.
Okay. All right. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. So there are few places you really love to stay, and this is one of them. As you can see, such a beautiful place. Feels like home. This is home converted into a small hostel. I love it. Let's check it out. Better. Reception. The proud owner.
Hello.
They're shooting it from my YouTube channel.
For you.
From my YouTube, yeah. Mama.
Mama, yes.
This is the dining hall. Small bar, as you can see there. So cozy. And that's the pool. And there's the cat running around. Don't sit on my... Oh damn! These fuckers are sitting on my bike. I hit them. Oh dear. You have to sit on my motorcycle. So that's the motorcycle parked here. And that's the pool area. That is the place. Hey, come on. Yeah.
Willis Fathers
Huh?
was in deputy, no?
Deputy.
Congress Republic of Peru
Okay.
in 1980.
Okay.
In 1980 until 1985, no?
Wow.
Very long time. He is dead now, but he's very important person here in Chimbote, Peru.
Wow.
Yeah. Everybody here knows. Here Juarez Olivera,
Uh-huh.
he was a Willis Fathers.
Ah, really?
No? Willis Fathers.
Hey. So I love this place, Willis. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This
Thank
is
you
a
for
very
your
lovely
visit.
place.
Thank you for your
And
visit.
people will come. When whoever is seeing this video will definitely, strongly recommend to come. Okay, Willis.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. I don't know, but then this is very cute. Very nice setup. And I want to be here, but then this will be the only night I can be here. But all the people who are traveling this side, Chimbote, do visit this place. Very comfortable, very nice, very homely. And yeah, that's it. You have a pool, you have safe parking for your motorcycle or your car, and quite good. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. To all the lovely people who are watching this video, stay blessed, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And love you all. Bye-bye. That's the famous church of Chimbote.
One world, one right.
Ah.